Alrighty, welcome to week 5 of the basement. And stuff happened this week. It was exciting. It was like weeks 1 and 2 again, where things were just happening all over the place. We have walls. Like, it looks like you can actually envision everything. We have walls. We have walls. So that was the exciting thing that happened this week. Let's go downstairs and take a look at it. Kind of a quick video, but a satisfying one. Okay, so it's been a while since I last did one of these updates, so let's do a quick recap of where we were at the end of week 4. We had the insulation up, we had the framing done, everything behind the walls happened, so the HVAC, the water, all of that fun stuff. Alrighty, we are in week 5 now of the basement, and after 2 weeks of not a lot happening, holy cannoli, the drywall is up and it is feeling more and more like a basement now. A finished out basement. So here's the bathroom. I am slightly concerned about how low these ceilings are, but this is where like the HVAC and everything is at. So like we've got some low ceilings, but that's okay. It's interesting to see how it just like opens up in here. And this is the bedroom. Still don't believe a bed will fit in here, but we're trusting the measurements. But yeah, it is fully coming together. I think that the drywall is going to be done this week, and then the trim and the doors are going in next week. So we'll have a double French door right here, and then a door to the bedroom, and then a door to the bathroom.